Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen. I'm going to show you how I did these galaxy nails out of alcohol inks on my niece. We wanted them kind of the glass effect ones that were a little more see-through, so we decided to stick with the alcohol inks because I can make it a little more sheer and we could see through it. The first color I'm going to lay down in the alcohol ink is the black, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that in an S pattern on the nails and try to leave myself some room to come in with the other colors. Then next I'll come in with some 99% alcohol on my brush and just dab around on the alcohol ink so that I can make it a little more opaque in areas and a little more translucent in others. And then the next color I'll come in with is the darker blue, because I just wanted to keep the dark on the dark all toward the center of the nail so that we can lighten it out with the pinks and purples as we go out. But in between every color, that's what I do. I just go in with the 99% alcohol ink and just dab it where I need it to make areas look a little darker or lighter, blend the colors a little more, or separate them a little more. I just play with it until I like the look. The alcohol inks, you can either buy them in kits or you can make your own. I did happen to make my own, but there are a lot of kits you can end up buying or find them on Amazon. There's plenty of different ways to get them. I know Notpolish has a set also. This is the last color we used, which is the pink, and it was our favorite. It added a lot to the set, so I think we might have placed a little more pink than any other color that we used, but it really added a lot to the set to have the pink in it. The next thing I'm going to do is start placing glitter, which I want to give myself a minute to tell you about, because this first glitter I use, which is from Glitter Planet, see, it looks yellow right here in the container. When you place it on a dark background, it actually does like a blue glow. It's really cool. And I know that she does have a couple of different versions of it. I know one was called UV Shards, and the one that I used was UV Rays, and I think there's another one also, but they all have this same cool blue glow effect. And so I went ahead and placed that in the S pattern that I did in the black and the blue, and with a little bit of acrylic, just laid it down, had them stick. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead with the stars, and the stars I used the glitter from Glitterbels called Pluto, and I used a little bit of the glitter and mostly the stars. And I think we did pick out all small stars for her since we wanted a good bit of stars, and she's got tiny little hands. So we went ahead and just used some of the smaller stars and put them in that S pattern also.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with.
After I got everything in place where I wanted it, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all the nails. I only left the footage of me capping the right hand in, like I did with all the art also. And then I did leave some filing in, which I really had no rhyme or reason to how I was filing. Her and I were chatting, so it just kind of went how it went. But I know some people like to see that, so I figured I'd go ahead and leave a hand of that in here.
Seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza, eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste al tren. Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven. Enamorados somos dos. Mami, te lo digo, tú eres mi abrigo cuando va el sol. Con tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío, tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primaveras. Por favor, no cambies quién eres, eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Yo lo que sé es que sin ti no es lo mismo, amor. No escuchemos lo que digan los demás. Desde chiquitos sabíamos alguna vez se dar este sueño de estar en pie. Al lado de la que amo, la que más adoro, la que me ha impregnado su amor en mi piel. Tu amor.
I'm just using a safety bit with the rounded edge to go ahead and clean up that cuticle area.
Contigo primaveras, por favor, no cambies quién eres, eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. olvidar ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
After I get done filing, I'll go ahead and buff her off camera. And then I am going to top coat her with Notpolish Shine-it and then have her do a full cure for 60 seconds. And then it was pretty much done. Neither her or I had any footage of the nails done, but I'll have the picture up for you again at the very end. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that like button. Thank you so much again. See you guys later. Bye.
Seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with.